byakwe bya Ruhanga Bobson agizire ngo bino busasi kushanga abashomesa ba science nibabongera umushara bito abandi bakabareka inyuma kandi ubona bari abashomesa
akashara batwongere guest of honor ukana ni rwanda nyanga mbo wakiruhura umuganga guest of honor mwa twongere turahumura icyo nakibibiraho twagira umushikwe nama yawire obamutera kiboko tuzakumurika fasitaho
agumize muyatera abashomesa umuranga okwefaho ahabo kubatino rukubafaho ndijo
but district forum bagabi nezo kurunda driver ofeyigo aramanya mukije nyingo ibara kwara dero mushomesa kaza forum yo kumurunda ofeyigo wenda bi chances mwene mwebwano numukwerwana
Obirari omujeni mukuru Honorable Herbert Tayebwa ahanshonga y'abashomesa kutunga kasente kace agizire ngo naza kujigambaho na nabari gukora ahanshonga ejo.
So me I'm taking it and I think I will discuss it with education minister. And tell them that if it is the law, then you cannot come back, not even finance. So that one you must take that stand.
Victory Regional Coordinator wa UNATU Narunga Betty agizire ngo abantu nibare abashomesa heru nkabatine mugasho habo kutunga kasente kace.
All the professionals are taught by teachers, but everybody is demeaning the teachers, including even borders, because they say they are earning more than the teachers. The teachers also have children. The teachers also have children whom they need to take care of.
Ori inspector wa mashomero ga Kiruhura district Duncan Tumukunde agambira omujeni mukuru kwaruhe bintu eba kubasa kwekorera kandi harone batakubasa kukora.
There are issues we can handle and issues that we cannot handle under the member of parliament. Other factors notwithstanding, the education department of Kiruhura district has done its level best to support education and the betterment of the child. We have two issues of concern. One, every child matters. Two, every child can achieve.
Zirengo mwaka gobye sentogu binentekateka yo gukora amashomero gari kwingana 35 ga primary omuri Kiruhura barikora biro mu sub counties.
This financial year, before June, we are planning to renovate 35 primary schools in that order. Other 35 primary schools in the district, it is absolutely renovating.
Bita abantu batari bamwe na bamwe basimira abashomesa abo mu rumo barukora ihanga na n'umutima gumwe
kandi nyenda kubahamya mwe ebintu byo bashomesa tubishika yeto ni ikimanya kazabo mushomesa tubishika ugarhaga nabishitya abashashura abashomesa batahabwa smart abana babashomesa hanga nabaherezo mu kushogo mutano ngwe no mukura rushote bashomesa bakate something not tangible that they have.
Leocadia Byakatonda asimira abashomesa okufaha abana babo okutunga obwegese kandi bakabakunda.
For sure mubari kutorera abana kumutazire mubari kubakunda mubari kubara kubaka bakishe babana.
Abashomesa n'abantu bakuru omwihanga ya Uganda ningo munsi yona abo kuba bakora umwuga muhango kushomesa abana bitu kugaha level y'ukubanza ka top level.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Canary Mesa awa Sky Television agenshonga umuri Kiruhura.